Good morning, students. And now we are going to start remaining parts of the plant anatomy. And the topic is vascular bundle. As you know that vascular bundle consists of xylem, phloem, and cambium. All of you are very well aware of the words xylem and phloem, but not about the cambium. Cambium is a type of the meristematic tissues, and these cells are living cells, and they have the capability to divide. So as we already read in previous classes about the apical growth, and a specific type of meristematic tissues are work for that. The same in case of the angiospermic plants, for their lateral growth, cambium is responsible. For the growth of lateral growth, cambium, inner sides cambium produce new cells which is known as xylems, and outer sides of the cambium ring they produce another cells which is known as the phloem. So let us discuss types of the vascular bundles and one by one. So vascular bundles I have already discussed to you. Vascular bundle consists of xylem, phloem plus cambium. Vascular bundles are basically three types. Three types of vascular bundle. Number one is radial vascular bundle. Number two is concentric vascular bundle. And number three is conjoint vascular bundle. Let us discuss all these three types of the vascular bundle one by one. Radial vascular bundles. Radial vascular bundle, as the name denoted, in such type of vascular bundle, xylem and phloem found alternate positions on different radius, and such type of vascular bundle found in the case of the monocots and dicots roots. So in such a case, I am going to show you by this diagram. You may watch it. Xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, xylem, phloem, phloem. Dotted line is phloem, and lining is denoted by xylem. Phloem and that is xylem. You can see that xylem, after that phloem, then xylem, then phloem. So at different radii, once xylem, then phloem, xylem, then phloem are found. And such types of vascular bundle found in case of dicots and monocots roots. And on the other hand, for the concentric vascular bundle, concentric vascular bundle are two types. Number one is amphivessel, and number two is amphicrival. Amphi-vessel, another name is lactocentric. And amphicrival, another name is hydrocentric. In case of amphi-vessels, xylem surround the phloem. In case of amphi-vessel type of vascular bundle, phloem has been surrounded by xylem. Phloem, xylem. Such type of vascular bundle found in yucca plant and Dracaena plant. Yucca and Dracaena. And in case of the amphicrival, xylem has been surrounded by phloem. In center position, xylem found, and it is surrounded by phloem. Xylem, phloem. And such type of vascular bundle found in ferns, phylum Pteridophytes. And the last one is last type of the vascular bundle is conjoint vascular bundle. And conjoint vascular bundle is two types: collateral and bicollateral. Collateral and bicollateral. Collateral is further divided into two types: conjoint collateral open vascular open type and closed type. So in case of the open type of vascular bundle in collateral, xylem and phloem has been separated by cambium, and as you know that cambium is a significant meristematic tissues which have eminent role for the lateral growth of the angiospermic plants, because it is a meristematic tissues and their cells are living cells. They have the capability to divide, and they, by continuously dividing, make phloem outer sides and xylem cells inner sides. So by this way, in case of the open type of vascular bundles, xylem and phloem has been divided by cambium ring. In between the xylem and phloem, cambium ring is found. You can see in this image, cambium ring has been found in between phloem, cambium and xylem. And such type of vascular bundle found in the dicots of angiosperms. Dicots of angiosperms. Example. And in case of closed type of vascular bundle, in the collateral closed type of vascular bundle, Xylem and phloem cannot be divided by cambiums. मतलब there is an absence of cambium ring in case of such type of vascular bundle. There is no any cambium rings in between the xylem and phloem. Phloem, xylem. Example for monocots, angiosperms. And now only one type of the vascular bundle has been left, that is conjoint bicollateral vascular bundles. The conjoint bicollateral vascular bundles are such type of vascular bundles in which outer cambium, inner cambium, outer phloem, inner phloem found, and between both inner and outer cambium, xylem has been found. And such type of vascular bundle found in case of Cucurbitaceae family stems. In open type of the vascular bundle also such type of vascular bundle found in stems of the diploid angiosperms, and in closed type of vascular bundle, monocots angiosperms, it is also found in stems. MPSL and lactocentric, also Yucca and Darsena vascular bundle, such type of vascular bundle found in stem of Yucca and Darsena. And in amphitribal and pteridophytes, such a vascular also found in stem of pteridophytes. So in case of the bicollateral vascular bundle, we will discuss you by diagram. You can easily understand it. This would be the diagram of that. In upper side phloem made cambium ring, inner side cambium ring. In mid, xylem has been found, and upper side phloem, downward also phloem. So that is outer cambium, that is xylem, and that is inner cambium, and that is inner phloem. And such type of vascular bundle found in case of the stem of Cucurbita maxima in family Cucurbitaceae. So these are the detailed descriptions of vascular bundle types, and in next class we will discuss about the secondary growth. And now I am going to bind up this class. Till then, thank you very much.